Okay, question 17, it's asking you to write the correct description beneath each of the following, choosing from these terms. And the terms you've got there are identity, formula, inequality, expression, and equation. So if we start with maybe some of the more obvious ones that maybe we will know, this one here, for example, is going to be an inequality because of this inequality sign here, this kind of crocodile eating the biggest meal because he's the hungry crocodile. So this one is going to be the inequality. Okay, this one here and this one here are actually the same. They are both equations, and the reason that they are equations, or we know they're equations, first of all, they have an equal sign there, but then this one has an equal sign as well. That one isn't an equation. So the reason we know that these two are equations, they have an equal sign. They also have something that we can solve to find. So they have this x here and x here, so we can solve to find what x is. And the same with this one. This is a slightly easier equation. It has the x here, so we can solve to find what that x is. Coming back to this one then, this one is a formula, and that one is a formula because we are trying to find something maybe real life. So we're trying to find out what this value of p is. We may be given this value of x and this value of y, and then we can work out what this value of p is. So we're maybe working out a real thing like pressure, for example. This one down here, this one is an expression. And an expression is just like a collection of symbols, letters, numbers, and sort of plus, subtraction, times, or divide. So operations, basically. So you have this collection of operations, this collection of numbers, this collection of letters, but no equal sign. It can be as complicated as that. It could be as simple as just an x or just a number on its own. So this one is an expression. This last one here is an identity, and what makes it an identity, one way to identify an identity certainly is the fact it's got this kind of slightly strange equal sign with the three lines in it, but the other way is that no matter what value of x you put in, these will always be the same. So we could do 5 times 1 is 5 plus 10 is 15, 1 plus 3, 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 times 5 is 15. If we try that for x equals 2, so we can have 5 times 2 is 10, 10 plus 10 is 20, 2 plus 2 is 4, 4 times 5 is 20. So no matter what value of x you have in, you get the same number on both sides. The difference between identity and an equation is that this will only work for one value of x. Okay. And if we submit the answer, there you go, they're all correct.